Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin with the essentials that directly affect stitch quality, the needle and thread. Insert the spool on the spindle and secure with the cap so tension stays consistent. Next, pull the thread through the first upper thread guide. This prevents slack. Once done, route it along the marked path toward the tension discs. That alignment controls feed and prevents skipped stitches. Make sure the thread sits between the discs before moving to the next steps. Now you'll handle the tension and take-up lever, which regulates stitch formation. Bring the thread down, slip it between the tension discs so it's snug but movable. This is why tension is adjusted later. Then loop it through the take-up lever from right to left or top to bottom as indicated, because that motion pulls thread up for each stitch. Continue routing the thread through remaining guides down the faceplate. This path keeps tension consistent and prevents bunching at the needle. Finish by threading the needle and establishing bobbin thread, which forms the stitch lock. Thread the needle front to back unless your manual instructs otherwise. This orientation mates with the bobbin loop. Insert a wound bobbin and draw its thread up through the needle plate to meet the upper thread. This creates interlocking stitches. Once done, hold both threads and hand turn 3/4 stitches on scrap fabric to test tension and stitch formation. Troubleshooting. If loops form, recheck upper thread path and tension discs for misrouting or lint.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.